Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your digital life secure. Today, we're tackling how to lock your PayPal card in 2025. With cyber threats evolving faster than ever, locking your card is a smart move to protect your finances, especially if you suspect fraud or if your card is lost. By 2025, PayPal has rolled out even more user-friendly features, making this process quicker and more intuitive than before. So, let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the updated PayPal app on your smartphone or tablet. The 2025 version includes enhanced security options, so head to your App Store and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. For extra security, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. It's a game changer. Next, tap on the Wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all your linked cards and accounts. Scroll to your PayPal card and select it. Now, look for the Security or Card Controls section. It's usually right there on the card details page. You'll see an option that says Lock Card or Freeze Card. Go ahead and tap that. PayPal will prompt you to confirm the action, often with a quick verification code sent to your phone. This step ensures that only you can make changes. Once confirmed, your card is instantly locked, meaning no transactions can go through until you unlock it. Pretty straightforward, right? If you need to unlock your card later, just follow the same steps and select the Unlock Card option. Remember, locking your card doesn't affect your PayPal account access or other features, so you can still make payments through the app if needed. A few quick tips for 2025. Always monitor your account for suspicious activity, use strong, unique passwords, and enable biometric login if available. If you're ever in doubt, reach out to PayPal's 24/7 support. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered locking your PayPal card and staying one step ahead of potential risks. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.